on Kansas 66 East for 4 miles.
I'm on Route 66. Route 66.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
It's closed today, but I'm going to get out and look at the cars on Route 66. There they are. Stickers here. I don't know what this is. All right. I might have to do that one of these trips. That little place had a diner in there, and I realized I'm kind of hungry. I have about 3 hours drive time before my next... What's down there? I better go down here. This is pretty cool. There's a lot of... Let's see, let me turn. A lot of Route 66. I'm actually going to turn around because I liked this intersection right here. It's just historic. I'm on Route 66 and I'm going 66. I had to stop for gas, so I decided to get a car wash. I've been really bored with the food that I have with me, and so I've been every time I stop, I look for black licorice, and I can't find it at any of the gas stations. So I ended up getting this. I think that's part of the fun of road trips. Is sometimes eating the junk food, the gas station junk food. So that'll be fun. I'm kind of full right now because I've been eating quite a bit. Snacking on carrots. I have a very upset stomach. I ate too much good and plenty. It was delicious. It was worth it. It was worth it. It's very pretty here in Missouri. So green and beautiful. Looks like a lot of cattle ranches. Cows look happy. I'll go hike a little bit. I'll go walk over there. This is beautiful. It feels very romantic to me. Wow. I can go in here. Nope. I don't know why I do that. I guess I don't know what to expect until I get here, and then it's so beautiful, I want to keep going. So beautiful, so romantic. Still charging my solar lights. Hopefully they'll be nice and bright and work great tonight. We're going over the Mississippi River, and I'm now in Tennessee. I'm at a Love's truck stop tonight. And my bed is out. My fan is running. Jackery is working. Watching a little TV on my phone. I think I'm going to call it a night, and I'll see you in the morning at a Love's truck stop.